Teacher Josh for another English lesson. Before we begin our lesson, I want you to stand up and sing with me. Okay, come on, stand up.
Good morning! And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, and how do you do?
Very good, children. So now, let us continue our previous lesson. Are you ready? Great, so let's begin. This time, Teacher Josh prepared some activity for you. For your first activity, I want you to get a piece of paper and a pencil. I want you to listen to Teacher Josh's instruction. Okay? Teacher Josh will say the sound and you have to write the big and small letters. Okay? Number 1. The sound is G. The sound is G. Number 2. The sound is H. The sound is H. Number 3. The sound is F. The sound is F. Number 4. The sound is B. The sound is B. Number 5. The sound is A. The sound is A. Number 6. The sound is M. The sound is M. Number 7. The sound is S. The sound is S. Number 8. The sound is T. The sound is T. And number 9. The sound is E. The sound is E. And number 10. The sound is L. The sound is L. Great job, children! And for the second activity, I want you to look on your screen. I want you to write the letter that you hear at the beginning of each word. Are you ready? Great! Number 1. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. And number 5. Once you finish answering all the questions, I want you to write your name and your grade and take a photo of your paper and send it to my Line account. Look on your screen for Teacher Josh Line ID. Okay?
That will be all for today, children. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye!